What's up YouTube? Hi guys, since bank holiday ngayon, so medyo wala tayong gagawin masyado. So ang ginagawa natin ngayon, ito yung daily wheel torque master list. So ang gagawin natin dito ay ilalagay natin sa computer lahat ng mga wheel torque. Kasi matagal na ito, hindi kasi nagawa ito. Gawa ng yung iba busy na, so hindi na nila nailagay, no? Wala pa noon. So wala tayong magawa. Titirahin na lang natin dito. Anyway, ano lang ito, keep us occupied. So we gonna do here, i-encode natin yung ang mga wheel torque na so yeah, keep us occupied, then we're gonna do something like so. And the next one here, and the next one here, 11616 2002 11616. Yung 11616, ibig sabihin ito yung bus number, no? Ito yung bus number na inilagay natin sa i-encode natin sa computer mismo. Aside from paper works, ito meron din sa computer talaga, para just in case na mawala yung file, merong backup na tinatawag. So all, meaning all wheels. Karamihan itong mga all wheels na rito is from other sites. So pagkadating nila dito, pagkadating ng bus dito, nire-retorque for safety purposes. Okay, so number 5. Ang number 5 is ito yung ginagamit na torque rings, and then yeah, yung ginagamit na torque rings, and then yung 680 that represent like Newton meter torque. And then yung mga signatory dito is yung mga nagre-retorque, ilagay din ang yung middle initial or yung abbreviation ng pangalan, para malaman kung sinong gumawa or nag-execute ng trabaho, no? And then yeah, so it takes time because isa-isahin natin ito paglagay. So yun, so the second retorque is no. This is all wheels, so this is finalized na ito, like ilalagay natin sa final, like 20 02 24. So all wheel retorque is 1505. 1505 is military time, no, or 24 hours format. It's 24 hours in format, and this is wheel torque number 5, torque rate number 5. So this is 680 Newton meter. And then MP is yung nag-execute ng trabaho, ibig sabihin. So and the other one here, 9204. Ba dito hindi mabasa kung anong number na nakalagay. Maganda pagkasulat masyado. So like 9204, yeah, 9204. Itong mga 9204, ito yung mga company car. So even company car ay lalagay pa rin natin, no, sa wheel torque sheet, mga company car, for self keep record keeping. Anong pizza nga ba ito? 20 02 24. So yan guys, 9204. Kunwari lang ito dahil wala tayong magawa. So anyway, ano na din, like I said, keep us occupied. So we're gonna do wheel torque sheet and could to be in the, like, put in the computer, no, for record purposes. 9204. Ano bang oras to? So 16 as 4. And then fronts, nilalagay lang natin yung X dito kasi fronts. Yung iba hindi na naglagay ng mileage, so ayos lang yun. Hindi natin lalagay ng mileage kasi naglagay ng mileage ang iba, at walang mileage na nakasulat. So okay, so nakatlagay dito is galing tong front tire. Pantang. Tapos dapat nakalagay dito kung anong to. Yeah, dito isa 120 Newton meter. Tinting ada pangalan ito. Prime tile. Tapos pagdating dito na retort, yung second retort 1630. So since bank holiday ngayon dito, pagka bank holiday, hindi masyadong busy, at saka yeah, hindi masyadong busy, so lagay lang natin NA, lagay natin NA, not applicable, kasi normally after sa retort we put like red caps, but since car ito, so not necessary to put red caps, so we just put NA or non-applicable. Lalagay lang natin itong ano dito, signatory ng retort, and then yeah, we move on to the next. It is 12/16 2002. So again, yeah, so malapit na tayo matapos sa isang page. Nalalagay na natin computer. So we'll stop this at the moment and we'll continue later on. Magkape muna tayo. Kape muna, kape. So 16:30. Tapusin muna natin to bago tayo pupunta ng kape. Okay, so 12/6. Outside here. Outside here. Do some work, will you?
Yeah, I did. I moved the fucking buses.
On the lane, yeah?
No, on the fucking cleaning area.
Yeah, good.
Michael is this.
What?
Yeah. Bike 08, Michael? What the fuck is that? That was fucking yesterday for the lymph node.
Yeah, lymph node, yeah.
So where is that bus?
No, it's in the fucking DOR area, yeah. That has to be changed by I think knock sensor, and then
So why fucking they done did this yesterday?
no, because maybe don't have the parts, like, you know what I mean. So normally we don't just strip around things without parts replacement, you know. So magkape tayo guys. Kape tayo, kape.